Well, it's early morning, it's early May, and I have another world premiere for you. I've never done this before. Taking you on a tour of my 20,000 daffodils. You might ask yourself, how do you even know you've got 20,000 daffodils? And the answer is, I planted 2,000 every year for 10 years. And I quit about 4 years ago when I realized there was really no point in adding any more. So I'm going to take you on a walking tour, a 2-day walking tour, and we're going to start today at the front yard, and we're going to walk down the driveway, and tomorrow I'll take you to the east meadow. Now I'm going to climb down this ladder and take you to about 20 different varieties of daffodils and narcissus. They're very close cousins. And you might say, well, why daffodils? And the answer is daffodils because animals don't like them. There's no deer problem with daffodils. They bloom for quite a long time. You can cut them, you can bring them indoors. In the cool weather of early to mid spring, they do last for quite a while in the garden. And they're beautiful. They just say, welcome spring, in a way that nothing else does except maybe the birds. And I think if daffodils could fly, they'd be more popular than birds. But that's just me. So this is a walking tour of my front garden. In the drive, you can see I've got daffodils, kind of like many people have dandelions, and I've got a few of those coming up as well. And we'll just come down here for a peek at this huge clump. And I always plant them in clumps. I plant them in clumps of 10 to 15 at a time, and this is the effect. The honeybees are here, the hummingbirds are arriving, and it's a wonderful time of year. Tomorrow, Daffodil Meadow. Stay tuned. Mark Cullen and Ben Cullen, markcullen.com.